My name is no. My sign is no. My number is no. You need to let it go. My name is no. My sign is no. My number is no. You need to let it go. Untouchable, untouchable. I'm feeling untouchable, untouchable. I'm feeling untouchable, untouchable. I'm feeling.
Hey guys, it's your girl Lici. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with you guys today to show you this Anti-Valentine's Day slay. Okay? Honestly, I'm really surprised it even came out this good. So, yeah, y'all just stay tuned. Keep watching. Alright guys, I'm about to do my eyes. In all honesty, I have no clue whatsoever what type of look I want to do. I know it's definitely going to be dramatic. So, yeah, that's about it. So I'm going to go back and forth between my Jaclyn palette, my Jaclyn Hill palette, and my Juvia's Place, the Saharan palette. I love the black in the Saharan palette. Oh my gosh, it's like the darkest black ever. I'll use this yellow here. And you guys will see why. I'm literally going to be stacking on colors on top of colors. Then I'm going to go in with Jamila from the Saharan palette. Gonna do, and this is all going still as like my transition. I have not hit the crease yet. I'm gonna go in with Sakoto. I'm gonna go all in. Yes, girl, get that red. Get that red. I told myself no holding back. No holding back, guys. Now I'm kind of in my crease. I'm gonna darken up that red with this shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I feel like I need a smaller brush though. Smaller area you're working with requires just smaller brush. Because I'm trying to work this in my crease. Yes, definition. Vibrant Red from Coastal Scents. I'm about to put that. Gonna put that right where I have the red. Yeah, that really darkens it up. I'm so happy right now because it's getting somewhere. I know you guys can't really see what look I'm going for. In all honesty, in all honesty, neither can I either, but it's okay. I know I just want red and dark flames, and yeah, that's really what I want. Now, for the main event. I don't even know where my palette went. I am going to do a black halo eye, guys. So far, so good, guys. Yeah, so far, so good. Right now, there's a harsh line, but I can blend that out. Alright, you know what? I'm just going to take this color. Don't even ask me what this color is. I took this out of my Blush Neutrals 26 color eyeshadow and blush palette by BH Cosmetics. I took it out of it because, honestly, that was the only pretty shade that I actually liked. Sorry. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to do this, see how it goes. I don't know if I should cut my crease, but I'm not, in all honesty, I'm not going to. Okay, y'all boys, we getting somewhere. And I'm pulling it outwards because I want to have a middle color in it. I'm pulling it out on the black because I want to have a middle color. That's different. That's like standout-ish. In the middle of my halo, I'm going to add the TheCrayonCase Glowcaine highlighting powder. I need a small brush, and I'm going to wet it too. Tornado, tornado. All right, let me get some liner. Yeah, I think I'm kind of pleased with how it came out. You can only tell really how it's gonna look, you know, when you put on the eyeliner and the lashes. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, so my eyes are completely done. All I did was I just smoked out my bottom lashes, and I just added a little bit more of the highlighting powder. For my highlighter, I'm gonna use Angola by TheCrayonCase. Sheesh, yeah, baby. All right, so now that my eyes and everywhere else is done, I'm going to do the last finish touch, which is my lips. I'm going to use Colourpop Friday on my lips. I told y'all I'm trying to do something real dark. I think it's gonna look good, but who knows? So we'll see.
No, my sign is no, my number is no. You need to let it go. My name is no, my sign is no, my number is no. You need to let it go. Untouchable, untouchable. I'm feeling untouchable, untouchable. I'm feeling untouchable, untouchable. I'm feeling hey, hey, hey. No, 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 no. You need to let it go.
Just to add a little pizzazz to my lips, I'm going to use that same shimmer blush color from the BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm gonna just dust that on my inner lips. Alright, let me go get dressed and fix my hair, and I'll be back, guys. Alright, guys, so this is the finished look. I'm not gonna lie. For someone who did not know what the heck she was doing while doing this video, I think it came out real good. I'm liking this vampy type of sultry look. The only thing I wish I had was contacts. I feel like contacts would have just made it like, ba-down, you know? I guess. But anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. You guys already know if you want to see more makeup tutorials, inspirational videos, and much more, just go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, guys, with your friends. Honestly, you can try and do it. Honestly, if you like it, then hey, go ahead. I know everybody is not really for the vampy type of slay, okay? But I hope you guys have a great day. I love you guys. Thanks for tuning in.